I did it. I did the filming of the thing, and oh, I have to tell you, every time I film stuff, I just get imposter syndrome. I get, what's the opposite of confident? I get insecure. I doubt myself. I feel like, oh my god, like, I'm full of shit. But I gotta just kind of keep showing up anyway and keep doing it anyway, because otherwise I would never get anywhere. And I also do really recognize that those thoughts, even though I believe them, if I believe them and then also act on them, then I will never achieve anything in life, because I will just be there listening to the voices. And so it's a little bit about, you know, yes, the voices are there. I do believe these things, but at the same time, I can also record a lesson. You know, they are not mutually exclusive. So yeah, that's where I'm at. Hello, Teak. Oh, cutie. Are you on your shelf, Teak? Look, this is the shelf. Art sticker stuff, envelopes, packaging materials, cat. Andrew's cooking tonight, but it looks like we're having a midweek roast with Yorkshires and roast potatoes. Very exciting! I am so tired. I have been going to bed too late. Like, well, actually, I've been going to bed on time-ish, like usually between 10:30-ish, around that time. But then I just like don't go to sleep until 12, just mindlessly playing games on my phone. Hello, Teak. Hello. I am feeling very, very tired. I am just using Handbrake over there to crunch my videos. Then once that's done, I think I'm gonna go upstairs, take a shower, and get in my pajamas and read my book and have an early night. I really, really need it. I am very much enjoying the kind of energy, like the feeling of kind of like energetic energy from vlogging and from trying to do a lot of things. It feels very satisfying, and then it actually also makes it easier to now take time to rest and relax and hopefully get a good night's sleep. So that's like 2 positives, so yay. Who invented mornings? So the weather update for this morning is, oh, charming, is, I think it's like 2 degrees, but feels like -4 because of the wind. So fun times. Hello, this is me sitting on the bed under a cozy electric blanket. I just had my therapy and now I am willing myself to get up, but I have period pains, although they're slowly abating. Fix his hair. Real vlogger habit. Yes, I need to drag myself out from underneath this warm electric blanket so I can make myself some lunch and then hopefully do a little bit of art for this vlog. I've got some ideas of, I've got another lesson I need to film, which I need to do some prep for. I need to kind of like work out
what I'm gonna do. I kind of have an idea of what I want to do, but I think I want to just do a little bit of kind of experimenting prep work, which involves doing some art. So I think that's what I'm gonna do later, but I'm so hungry right now, so I think that's gonna motivate me to get up.
Hello. It is 4:15 on Thursday, and bear with me while I just hide some presents. I don't think Andrew watches these vlogs anyway, so it's fine. I got something in the mail. It feels soft. Like I said, I ordered some stuff off of Depop. Okay, this is nice. I've been looking forward to this. I have wanted a cardigan, like kind of like a natural fiber wool, kind of slightly baggy cardigan that I can wear over dresses and be warm. So I picked up this cardigan, which is 100% lamb's wool, for like 15 quid plus postage. I was pretty happy with it. So let's have a look. Because I want to wear my dresses, but I also want to be warm, yo. This is nice. Oh, it feels really nice and warm. Okay. I mean, I might look a little bit like a grandma, but I hope I look like a trendy grandma. Cool. I'm happy. I just want to wear it now. I was already warm enough because I'm wearing this woolen base layer, which has been really nice and warm, but it is cold today. Anyway, I am happy with this. Really cool. I love getting bargains. All right, what I'm gonna do now is I'm so tired at the moment. I'm really just a bit worn out. It's that time of day where I start flagging. So I have got to do some art because that's my agreement with myself. I want to do art every day. So I'm gonna do that, but first I'm just gonna go and grab myself a nice cup of tea. This tea is my current guilty pleasure. I got it from the Asian supermarket. It's in a sachet and it's like a powder that you pour in and you add water to it, and it's just like 90% sugar. So this is my current wintry guilty pleasure. Tea that is basically mostly sugar. Flumpht, technical term. I hope that doesn't mean anything rude. I'm doing my best Victorian lady reposing pose. I'm tired. I think an early night is good, but it's currently 20 to 6, so it's not happening yet. But I am very grateful to Past Iris, who did batch cooking. So all I have to do is like warm up pasta sauce and cook some fresh pasta and cut up some cucumber. And I mean, it's still cooking, it's still work, but it's okay. I think I'm gonna close out this vlog because it's probably like the quality of it isn't gonna go up. Yeah. So thanks for watching Vlogmas Day 3. Vlogs might be slowing down from now because it's going to be the weekend soon and stuff, but I am still enjoying it, so thanks very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!